might ask the team to increase the frequency of your classes. Okay.
Ma'am, can we start with real numbers rather than continuing quadratic equations?
We can
No,
start.
With real numbers.
We are doing real numbers only, बच्चे, ठीक है? The first chapter. Okay. See, this is from real numbers, na? Acha, did you complete your notes, Ifra?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay. See. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah,
am
yeah.
starting from the scratch and then taking you to advanced level. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
And I still wonder how your school has completed 4 chapters so fast, and that too in just 20 days. How? तुम लोग को
teacher, we have almost started the 5th one.
Oh God. Are you understanding anything?
No.
It is fine. It is fine. Anyways, yes. So, hello. Hello. Rumaisah hasn't joined yet. Anyways, so I'm giving one question from NCRT. All right.
Okay.
If are you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Just give me a second.
Okay, okay. So the question says, using Euclid's division lemma, or algorithm, find HCF of A 135 and 225. Okay. Do it. Do you know how to apply Euclid's division lemma? Yes, girls. Hello.
Teacher, we don't know what that is.
Acha. Okay. So Euclid division lemma basically says that, see, if I am having two numbers, okay. See, the bigger number b into q plus r. Okay. So we must have read this in like smaller classes. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Do you know that? Or shall I explain it in detail? Right? Suppose, let me tell you with the help of an example. This is very basic. You'll understand. Suppose it is 1, 2, 4. Okay? And I am gonna divide it with 3. Let's say 3. So tell me what will be the answer after dividing? 3 4s are 12. 0, 4. Okay? 3 1s are 3. 1. Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what is the question? Right? What is the divisor? This one is the dividend. Remember I told you the trick. The one who cuts is the cutter. The one who divides is the divisor. Okay, and this one is But this one is all right. So now if I write it in this form, dividend must be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Check it. What is the divisor? 3. Multiply by quotient 41 plus remainder 1. Tell me what is it coming out to be? Divided?
Ma'am, 124 itself.
We are getting 124, right? So it is related to this only. I don't think so Rumaisah might join today. Anyways. Okay, so I am solving first part, okay? Okay, you guys will solve the second one, okay? If you have any confusion in any of the step, do let me know. So I have these two numbers, 225 and 135, right, bache? Hello?
Yes.
So what I will do, tell me what will be the dividend? Of course, the bigger number, 225 divided by 135. Divide it and tell me, how will I write it? I will write it in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay? Yes. Tell me. Yes, Rumaisah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyways, write this question. Yes, but tell me. What are you getting after dividing? 135 divided by this. Fast. Try karo.
Teacher, I do not understand the A is equal to BQ plus R.
Okay. No. Don't look at that part. I will make you understand this one. First, tell me this part. I'll tell you that in detail. That's why I'm saying. Okay. Tell me this. This part you have to solve right now. Okay. Divided fast. Bache, speed. Yes, Afreen, Ifra, Rumaisah, fast.
Ma'am, we just have to divide.
Yes, just divide it. Tell me the question, tell me the remainder. Bas.
I got 90 as the remainder.
90, okay. And question?
1.
All right. So now
Same
A
here.
is, yes. Up now listen carefully what I'm doing. A is equal to BQ plus R. This is what you have to learn in Euclid's division lemma. Okay. This is another way of finding HCF. I have told you to find HCF by various methods, right? By finding common factors. Okay. And by prime factorization. Then by long division method. And now this is Euclid's division lemma, which is there in our NCRT. Okay. So what we have to do, we basically have to put the values here. After dividing, what I'm doing, see it carefully. Okay. Just like Afreen said, she's getting quotient as 1 and remainder as 90. So here R stands for remainder. All right. Yes or no? R stands for remainder. Keep responding. Unmute yourself, all three of
Yes.
you. So
Yes.
of R, I'm going to write 90 because I got 90 just now. Yes. And instead of Q, what I'll write? 1. Okay. What is A? A is the bigger number, basically the dividend. Right? 225 is equal to B is this smaller number. Okay. 135 into 1 plus 90. All right.
Okay.
Ifra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Yes.
So, ma'am, we
So,
have to subtract.
no. You don't have to subtract them. First, you have to divide these two numbers. First step.
Okay.
Second step is writing in this form. Okay. And now third step, I am telling you.
Okay.
First two steps clear? First two steps are clear? Hello?
Yes. Teacher, can you use a darker shade?
Acha, okay. Now, what I do, until and unless I get the remainder 0, I'm going to continue applying Euclid's division lemma in B and R. Euclid's division algorithm or lemma to B and R. Okay, that means B and R. That means 135 and 90. Okay, now the other two numbers are gonna be 135 and 90. Who's gonna be the dividend in these two? Dividend, the bigger number, dividend.
135.
135.
Very good. And who's gonna be the divisor?
90.
Yes.
90.
Now tell me.
Ma'am, I'm getting remainder as 45.
Okay, good. Very good. Correct. And quotient as?
1.
Okay. But now try arranging this in A is equal to BQ plus R form. A कौन होगा? Tell me. Who will be A?
135.
9.
Excellent. And who's gonna be B?
90.
Okay. Multiplied by what is Q?
Multiplied by 1
Plus what is
Plus
R?
45.
plus
Very
45.
good. Did I still get R as 0?
No.
So that means I have to continue, right? Again
Yes.
apply Euclid's division lemma. B and R कौन कौन है? Now tell me who is B and who is R this time. B is this one, just like you said, and R is this one. So the next two numbers we have are 90 and 45. Divide them both. Ifra, bacha, are you understanding or shall I repeat the process?
No, I'm understanding.
Okay, are you writing?
Yes.
Okay. Afreen, Rumaisah, got this step?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I'm getting remainder as 0.
Very good. So BQ, now write it. A is equal to BQ plus R wala form. Tell me. A will be
90.
A will be 90.
B will be
45.
45
Q will be
into 2
Q will be into 2. Okay. Plus
0.
plus 0.
very good. Now we have got our remainder as 0. So this is the last step in which we got to identify the last divisor. The last divisor is the HCF. Since R is 0 and divisor is 45, hence the HCF is coming out to be 45. Remember, in the long division process of finding HCF, the last divisor at that case, in that case also was the HCF. Remember that method? Someone's not revising notes.
Can you repeat, teacher?
I am saying, remember in that in the last class we discussed long division method, right? in that case also, the last divisor was giving me HCF. Remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
No? So keep that in mind. The last divisor in this case also is the HCF. Got it?
Yes.
So what I did, I'll be given two numbers. Of course, I'm gonna divide them, the bigger one with the smaller one. Okay. Write them in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. A is equal to BQ plus R, where A is the bigger number, B is the smaller number, and Q and R we already know. After that, until and unless I'm getting zero, I'm gonna repeat the process. Okay? All right. With B and R as the next two numbers. B and R as the next two numbers. Okay.
Yes.
So shall I give you a question related to this? Will you guys be able to solve it? Hmm?
Okay.
Teacher, just one doubt.
Yes.
So by long division, you meant the HCF of three numbers together, right?
Two numbers, three numbers.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. Shall I give you a question? So this is also NCERT. Second part, 867 and 255. Using which method? Prime factorization, long division, yeah, Euclid's lemma.
Euclid's.
Yes. Also keep revising the notes, okay? Else, when the syllabus will proceed, now you might even forget the previous topics. So keep revising it. It's gonna be helpful in the end. All right. Ifra, are you there? Yes. Okay, bache, okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, bache, tell me.
Can I just show it to you?
Rumaisah said or Ifra said? Sometimes your voice.
Rumaisah.
Rumaisah said.
Yes, can I show it to you?
Acha, okay, show me. Just a second. Okay. But in the first one, it's gonna be 3. Okay, 255 into 3. देखो. ठीक है, बाकी the steps are absolutely correct.
Okay.
Teacher turn.
हाँ, okay, show me Afreen. है ना? 3 होगा ना? 255 into 3.
Oh yes, sorry, I wrote 2 over there. Yes.
3, yes. Okay, very good. So the HCF is coming out to be
51.
yes. Ifra, your turn. Fast.
Just a second, ma'am.
Now have you corrected it to myself? Show me.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Two, 3 plus. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, over here it's gonna be 3. Yes.
Yes, excellent. Very good.
Okay.
Acha, what will we do if we'll be having 3 numbers and we have to find the HCF using Euclid's lemma? What will we do? I've only told you for 2 numbers. What will
I'm
we
getting the remainder as 1.
do?
I'm getting the remainder as 1.
No, bache, you must have done some mistake in the last step. Dekho, check it out.
The question as 1.
Question,
As 1.
show me.
1.
You will get the remainder 0 last में, in the end.
Oh.
Yes, Afreen, Rumaisah. Since the time Ifra is showing me your answer, do think about how am I going to find the HCF of 3 numbers using Euclid's lemma. Think about it.
One minute, ma'am.
सही से रखो. Okay, I have to tilt my head.
So sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. 255, 102 into 1 plus 51. Okay, now take 102 and 51 as the next 2 numbers, right? We take B and Q as the next 2 numbers, right?
Yeah.
Do the last step and then show me. Yes, Rumaisah. Yes, Afreen.
We do two numbers at a time.
What about you, Rumaisah? Think about it. See, we know how to do HCF for two numbers, right? So if I have been given 2 numbers, first I'm gonna apply Euclid's division lemma to the first 2 numbers. Of course, I'll be getting a HCF out of them. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Then that HCF, then I'll be using that HCF with the third number to find the ultimate HCF. Okay? Got it?
Can you explain it again?
Acha, okay. I have been given 3 numbers, all right? And I have to find the HCF using the Euclid's division lemma, all right? So now what I'll do, I'm gonna simply find out the HCF of the first 2 numbers. Okay? We know how to find it, right? Just a second. After that, whatever will be the HCF of the first 2 numbers, we're gonna find the HCF with that number and with the third number, and that will gonna be the HCF. Chalo, I'll show you with an example. Okay. Now what is the HCF, Ifra?
2.
B.
Oh, 51. 51.
Yes. Write it. Final answer. HCF is 51. Okay.
Yeah.
So you three have solved. HCF is coming out to be 51. Easy.
Yes.
Shall we go for the question of 3?
Yes.
12, 18, and let's say it's 24. Okay. So girls, be fast and tell me the HCF of, using Euclid's division lemma, these two. A is equal to BQ plus R. Fast. All three of you.
The remainder is 6.
Yes. Next one. Next step. I have to make my remainder 0. Take B and R as the next two numbers.
Ma'am, how are you going to do this with 3 numbers?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
I've gotten the remainder as 0.
Okay, Ache. What is the HCF? Ifra, listen. Just a second, Rumaisah. We have to find, if we have to find the HCF of 3 numbers, okay, we are separately going to take the first 2 numbers. First, find out the HCF of these 2. And then I'll tell you what to proceed. Okay. Tell me, how much are you getting? The HCF of 12 and 18? Yes, Rumaisah.
6. 6.
Perfect.
got
Very good.
6.
Very good. Very
Second,
good. So the HCF of, we're going to write it like this, 12, 18. But you see on the board, all three of you, is coming out to be 6, right? Afreen and Rumaisah has done it. Ifra is doing, right? Now,
done, ma'am.
I'm done. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna use the HCF of first 2 numbers and the third number. Now apply Euclid's division lemma again. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, done. 24 equals 6 into 4 plus 0.
So what is the HCF?
6.
Very good. The ultimate HCF is, the actual HCF is also of all the 3
Yes,
numbers.
ma'am, even I got it.
Okay, very good. And 24 is equal to 6. Now will you guys be able to solve these 3 wale questions?
Yes.
All right. Acha, none of you have sent me the notes. Why? I need to know now. Like
Teacher,
I'm saying,
what
none of
is
you have none of you have shared the school notes yet. I've asked you in the last class. Remember? Hello.
Yes,
teacher
ma'am.
will share
I'll
it
send
to
it to you. Afreen will do it.
Okay, okay. You all are from the same class, na? So same class teacher.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Next question. Again, NCRT. Show that any positive integer odd integer. Do you guys have your NCRT right now?
our
Yes,
math textbook.
What bache?
We have our math textbook.
Yeah, that is NCRT. Show me. Show me. Show me on the camera that book. Yes. Take out exercise 1.1, question 2. Ifra, are you also having that?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Take it out.
Ma'am, can you repeat which question?
Question 2. Show that any positive odd integer.
Ma'am, exercise?
1.1.
Ma'am, in exercise 1.1 for us, second question number is find the LCM and
Find the
HCF.
LCM and HCF of the following pairs. It's difficult.
Acha,
We don't
don't
have
you have
this.
this question? Show that any positive odd integer. This one.
No, we
No?
don't.
Okay, okay. Just a second. Do you have that question, an army contingent of 616 members? Do you have
Sorry,
this one?
what?
No.
An
No.
army contingent of 616 members.
No, we don't.
No.
Hmm. Acha, tell me what is the first question?
In exercise
Express each
1.1,
Express
number.
each
it's
number
express
as
each
a
number as a
product of
product
its
of its
prime
prime
factors.
factors.
All right, all right. So with that we have already done, right?
Yes.
In the first classes,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
The next question is
Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two
this
numbers.
also I have given you in the assignment. I can't
Yes.
see Ifra's assignment. Ifra hasn't submitted. Afreen and Rumaisah has submitted. Ifra hasn't submitted the assignment yet. Hmm?
Estimated.
Okay, bache, do submit it. Anyways, next question.
Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime
Prime
factorization
factorization.
method.
Yes. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Next one. Question
Given
4.
that HCF 306,657 is equal to 9, find LCM 306,657.
So what will I use here? HCF into LCM will be equal to
9.
product of those two numbers. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
हो जाएगा? Will you be able to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Direct question, right? Now, yeah, question 5. Again
Check.
discussed in first class.
Yes, check
Similar
whether
question.
6 n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n.
Tell me the answer orally.
No, it will not end.
No, it will not.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Now, question 6.
Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers.
Can you say? We can clearly see it is having so many factors like 11, 13, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, we just have to multiply it and then um,
Yeah. Right? So, it is a composite number. Now, the next question.
there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia
Hmm.
takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while
Hmm.
Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point?
Hmm. So, what will we find in this? HCF or LCM? Think
LCM.
about. Hmm?
LCM.
LCM.
Very good. Excellent. Find it out. Question 7. Question 7, NCRT, exercise 1. 1.1, right? And don't forget the units, okay?
Ma'am, it's 36.
It's 36.
Ifra, did you get it?
Yeah.
Show me your solution, Ifra.
Yes. 1 minute.
Yes, Rumaisah, yes, Afreen, show me. Rumaisah has excellent, very good. 36 baht, 36 baht.
Minutes.
Yes. Now Afreen. Very good, very good. 36 baht.
Minutes.
Right. Yes, Ifra, show me, bache.
Yes. Ma'am.
So our first exercise is completed, right?
Yes.
Understood everything? Easy so far?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Ifra is showing. Yes, very good. Chalo. Let's move ahead with the next exercise. Tell me what is the next exercise? First question.
Prove that root 5
Root
is
5
irrational.
irrational.
Famous question. Always comes in boards. You guys know? Do you guys know
Yes, we've been
how to
told by
solve
the
this
teacher.
one? Yeah. Do you guys know how to solve this one? Like how to present the answer basically.
Yes.
Okay, try it out. Afreen, Rumaisah, you guys are trying. Ifra, what about you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, try it out. This question is like favorite of examiner. It is always coming. Prove like, prove this, prove that. So like memorize each and every step of this one.
Ma'am, it can be for root 2, root 3, and root 5, right?
Root 2, root 3, root 5, of course. Because root 4 is we already know it's equal to 2, which is a rational number.
So it's not going to be more than root 5?
That's not compulsory because we can also get, if you see in the next part, it is written 3 plus 2 root 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can be given in this form as well. Okay.
We have root 7 as well, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So just attempt it first. Prove that root 5 is a irrational number.